Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to grow $100 into $1,000. We're going to boost our deposit using a single indicator that can make this really easy. If you're curious to see how we'll grow our deposit from $100 to $1,000 and which indicator we'll use, then let's not waste any time and get this video started. Alright, check this out. The first trade is for an upward move using the Ichimoku cloud indicator. Let's break down how this strategy works with this indicator. Watch closely. Right now, both are green, which means this is our first signal that we can open a trade, in our case, for an upward move. The second signal is that the price is between these two lines. See? It's right between them. That's our second signal that we can open a trade, in our case, for an upward move. So it's all very simple. We determine the color of the cloud, check if the price is between these two lines, and then open a trade. So based on the first and second signals, in our case we have a signal to go up, simply because our cloud is green. Our first trade closes successfully in profit, so let's just repeat the whole process. So if you see, for example, that your cloud is green, and the price is between these two lines, like in this example right here, then at that point you can open a trade to go up. However, if you see that your cloud is red and the price is sitting right between these two lines, then you can open a trade to go down. It's all very simple and easy here, guys. The strategy is incredibly simple. Even though the indicator doesn't look pretty and might seem hard to understand, still guys, if you open a couple of trades with it, watch this video, even then you'll get the hang of it, and it'll become easier for you. Some things might look scary, but in reality it's actually very easy. It's easy to use and, most importantly, very profitable. So look, our second situation is also for a downward move. We open a trade for a drop. Why? Because the clouds are red. The price is between these two lines, so that's 1 and 2 signals that we can open a trade for a drop. It's all very simple and easy. Thanks guys. To really understand how this indicator works, as Decad writes, you also need to set it up correctly. So where can you find the settings for it? After this video comes out, I'll post them on our Telegram channel. The link to it will be in the pinned comment under the video, or in the channel profile header. Go there, copy the settings, trade using this indicator with these settings, and earn your profits. Also, I often see that you can find the settings in our Telegram channel. We do post them here, it's just that you can't find them. For example, you might notice, and by the way, the trade closed successfully. Another reason you can't find them is because we post a lot of information, and the settings just get lost among everything else. So if you can't find the settings for a particular strategy that you saw on Telegram, just send us a direct message. We'll reply to you and send you the settings for that strategy, and by Monday, we'll also explain how this strategy works. Guys, as I mentioned earlier, the link is in the pinned comment under the video or in the profile section of the YouTube channel. Go ahead, copy it from the website and start trading. Now, let's look at the next situation, an upward move. Let's break down an upward trade. Watch closely. Right now, the price, shown in green, is between the two lines. So that's 1 signal, 2 signals for 3 trades, we're going up, and guys, let me give you one more. Let's talk about when you shouldn't trade a particular currency pair, when it's actually better to just skip it altogether. Let's wait until this trade closes in profit. I can't find a good setup on this currency pair, so I'll look for opportunities on other pairs instead. Now that this trade has successfully closed in profit, I'm gonna look for this setup on other currency pairs. Here's an example. It's not the best one, but still, take a look. As you can see, we just don't have any clouds. You could say they've merged, and right now the cloud is neither red nor green, so we're not getting any signal here. This is the kind of situation you should skip. And the second situation is when they merge and even intertwine. These two cloud lines, like you can see here, the lines are intertwined, and again, you can't get any signal here either. So you should also skip this kind of situation. So we have 3 situations here. That's when the cloud is intertwined and doesn't show any cloud at all. Here's an example. You just see the red line here and you don't see anything else. You won't get a signal. And when the two lines cross each other, like here, you also don't get anything. A signal for the year and situations when you should skip a currency pair and not trade it, even if the currency pair looks attractive, because the volatility is high. And what does that mean? It means that the market is very volatile right now. You can see this by looking at the candles. If the candles are big, it means the volatility is high. So the movement will always be good, and as you can see, according to this cloud, it's very small, and the candles here are also very small, which means the volatility is low. Basically, the wider the candles, the higher the volatility. The narrower they are, the lower the volatility. That's an interesting fact about the market. And even if the situation is such that it's better for trading, in other words, in these areas there's more activity in the market, which means the price is moving actively, that's good, that's awesome. So here we have a price that's going up, the price is on the rise. Meanwhile, between these two green lines, that's signal 1, and signal 2 is a trade to go long. Like I said, the indicator is incredibly easy to use. Just look at the color, see where the price is, and open a trade. It's all incredibly simple. Even though the indicator looks, well, to put it mildly, unattractive, just a reminder that you'll find the indicator settings on our Telegram channel. After this video is released, I'll post them there. If you can't find the settings, just send us a direct message and we'll send them to you. There's also a link to our Telegram channel in the video description or in the profile header of our YouTube channel. And the trade closed successfully, guys, even with a bit of slippage. If you don't want to trade using this strategy, or just don't feel like analyzing the market, there's a great tool for you. It's our trading robot, there's nothing complicated about it, you just activate it. Activating and registering it takes less than 5 minutes after you start the process. You just pick one of the 12 currency pairs, let's say this one, then choose the expiration time you want to trade for, 1, 3, or 5 minutes. For example, let's pick 1 minute. It'll analyze the market for you and give you a signal to buy or sell. So guys, if you're too lazy to analyze the market yourself and just want to trade without doing any analysis, trade with the bot. Especially for you, you'll get a signal, just open the links, get your profile, there's nothing complicated about it, and you don't have to analyze anything yourself. You can find the link to it either in the description below the video or in the header of the YouTube channel profile. Like I said earlier, registration takes a maximum of 5 minutes. If you have any problems, just send us a direct message. We can help you activate it and register in it. Alright guys, this is the last trade for today. It's a buy. As you can see, the cloud is green, the price is between 2 lines. 1 signal, 2 signals. Trades are going up. Also guys, don't forget about our promo code. It gives you a 60% bonus on your deposit. So for example, if you use it when depositing, say $100, you'll get an extra $60 on top. That means you're depositing $160 instead of just $100. If you deposit $1,000, you get $1,600, which is $600 extra. It's a great promo code, use it now on your screen. That's a lot, seriously. Our trade's almost finished, meaning the deal's about to close. Plus, we'll already have our plan in place, so from $100, even more dollars. We were there. Believe me, it was incredible, simply because the indicator was still able to give really good signals. The most important thing is, no matter what the market is like, calm, unstable, volatile or not, the Ichimoku cloud always gives accurate signals. That means when it's time to open a trade, the success rate of these signals is always over 85%. That's 85%. That's a lot, especially in trading. So guys, the Ichimoku cloud is a really good indicator. So guys, if you want a reliable indicator for yourselves, we've prepared this especially for you. Its signals are accurate. Alright guys, that's where I'm gonna wrap up. I even managed to slightly exceed my plan, making $58 and successfully growing my account from $100 to $1,000. And I did it all with the help of just one indicator, the Ichimoku cloud. Just reminding you guys, if you want to give it a try, trade with the Ichimoku cloud, and are looking for the right settings for the market, you can find them in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below the video or in the profile bio. Grab the settings, trade with the Ichimoku cloud, and earn your profit. Also, just a reminder, if you don't want to analyze the market yourself and just want to trade based on signals, our trading bot is available. There's also a link to the Telegram channel there. Come join, activate it, and simply get the signals, trade based on them. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the Telegram and YouTube channels, and let me know in the comments what you think about the strategy and which indicator you use. Has it become clearer to you how to trade with it? If you have any questions, write them either in the comments or send us a direct message. We'll definitely reply everywhere. That's all, guys. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye everyone.